How to unlock head-to-head in FIFA Mobile. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to unlock head-to-head in FIFA Mobile. Start by completing beginner tasks offered by the Academy. These tasks introduce fundamental gameplay mechanics and features. After completing enough Academy tasks, unlock the Division Rivals mode. This mode includes two sub-modes, VS Attack and H2H. Compete against opponents in asynchronous matches in the VS Attack sub-mode. Secure wins or draws to progress. Accumulate fans by winning matches in VS Attack. As you earn fans, you will advance to higher divisions. The ultimate goal is to reach Division Pro 3. Once you achieve this milestone, H2H mode will be unlocked. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.